Alright, so we've got a System 11A here for a F14. So we've got the MPU and the soundboard. Excuse me. So soundboard, we just re-socketed and also recapped everything there. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 caps in total. And then we move on to, excuse me, the MPU here, which we abated quite the alkaline damage that spread from top to bottom, like they typically do whenever they're left, or unattended to with batteries on it. We re-socketed both sound ROMs, both game ROMs, and both 6802s. Added NVRAM onto the board, which is the NVRAM that I make here. So I also offer the 5101 NVRAM as well as 6264. So if you're wanting to purchase one of these, just reach out to me here on either YouTube or Facebook at DR Pinball, or you can send me an email if you don't have Facebook at drpinballrepair@gmail.com. But moving on, we replaced 1, 2, 3, 4 PIAs, as well as quite a few chips here that were throughout the alkaline. Replaced all the 27 ohm resistors, about half of the switch matrix, and also did, which you can't see, quite a bit of trace repair here on the board. But I'll go ahead and get this thing powered up. And I've got it already set to free play there. And we've got lamp matrix dancing and no coils that are locked on. And we'll kick this thing into test. So first is going to be displays. So we've got the alphanumeric on top and then also the numeric on the bottom. Those are all working correctly. And actually, I think the next is sound and music. There's all the sounds working correctly. And moving on to lamps. And into single lamps. Those are all working. And moving over to the solenoids. So testing both A side and C side. And these two that are locked on here, these are the flipper ground enable that enables the flippers. And into the standard. And into the special solenoids here. And 6 of these in total, which are also switch controlled. Those are all working correctly. And into the last last test, which is switch. And just going through diagonally, testing both rows and columns here. And the last switch is switch 63, so I'll just kind of run through all of them that are on row 8. But all of the switches are working correctly there as well. And I've already got this set up to free play, so we are 100% good to go here on this board. And thank you so much for sending that.